back, and so we're gonna turn this into a twist out because having it like this, and I'm just worried about the tangles, just doesn't seem ideal to keep my hair like this. Look at all those curls. I just feel like after a while we're gonna get some tangles, so we're gonna turn this into a twist out, and we're not really gonna apply any product. If anything, I'm just gonna spray my hair with a little water and aloe juice to make it more pliable, as you'll see me go. And FYI, aloe juice smells like baby poop. Nobody has ever said that in any of their videos. I've used a real aloe plant for my pre-poo that I used once when I did a pre-poo tutorial that's on my IGTV, but the actual aloe plant was fine. Some parts smelled musty, but then when I used it on my scalp, it was fine. But aloe juice, no, it smells like baby poop. When I spray it in the air, I'm just covering my nose. When it actually hits the hair, it's fine. I don't smell anything anymore. I smell my other products, but the initial smell is nasty. So to anybody that's ever been like, oh yeah, aloe juice is so great, they've failed to mention that it smells. So I'm telling you because I'm trying to keep it real. We're gonna make this into a twist out, and I'll show you my process. Okay, so what I normally do is section my hair off in 3 sections. So I've got the back all as one so that I can go straight across. So sometimes I use a comb to part it out. Other times I don't because I just don't care. And at this moment I don't care. Like, I just want to like not have my hair so tangly. Take a little low section, and I'll probably do maybe 4 going across. If I want to keep them in longer, I'll do smaller ones, but I think I want to do about 4 or 5 on the bottom. And thank God for these clips because these are awesome. I couldn't tell you where I got them from. I want to guess maybe Sally's or Lucky's or probably Amazon, let's be real. But I needed large ones that are going to hold this thick hair down, and that gets the job done. Baby poop. It does keep the hair moisturized though, I will say. Oh my god, what I do. Alright, so let's twist this down. I've got a section about this thick, and I'm going to do some detangling from all that product. I don't really want to use a brush or anything like that. I just want to do a little light detangling. And grab my twists. Ooh, wrong section. And twist down. And then as I'm twisting, I'm detangling as well. This usually takes me about an hour. If I kind of like have a bit of a rhythm and go fast, I can probably be a little bit faster, maybe 45 minutes, but it's usually about an hour no matter what I do. So as I'm thinking and doing this, I just want to say that like one thing I'm grateful for is that with my hair, that it is so moldable in that I can do so many things with it. So if and when a washout or wash and go doesn't work, I can just mold it into something else. So I can take it into a twist out and it like saves the day, or even a braid out. Braid outs are good on my hair. I like to do them in bigger sections than this. One time I made the mistake of doing braids this small, and it took me forever to take them out, and it was cute, but it was too much work. So what I usually like to do, and where you can always find me, is in a twist out. So my hair is in twists for about a week long or so, depending on what I have to do that week, and then the next week it is in that twist out hairstyle. The only thing is that I haven't been able to get back to that whole 1 week on, 1 week off, the 2 weeks of having it. It usually ends up being like maybe a couple of days in my twist out, and then my hair is like long overdue for a wash. So I'm trying to get back to that 2-week thing because that's going to be really convenient, especially in the winter weather. I ironically don't like having my hands in my hair too much. I want to do less with it, and I think that's where I get a lot more opportunity for growth and stuff by just less is more. But I haven't been able to. I guess it was like over the summer it just wouldn't last. So hopefully we can get back to that so that I don't have to be doing my hair as much. And then I don't know, since I'm filming this before even like posting the other video, but I mean, this to me, is this 4C? Is this 4B? I've seen so many 4C wash and goes, so I know it's possible, but the definition, so that's what I mean when I say I really have never seen my hair type, because I've never seen a style or a hair that has no way of really hanging on to that definition. That's really what I'm looking for, is just the definition. Like, love an afro, live it, love it, could wear it all the time, but it just tangles really easily. So I think it would be more convenient and more ideal if I did do a wash and go that was defined and the curls were separated. So, but again, you saw I didn't achieve it. So maybe by the time this is posted, I'll have gotten some great feedback or information from you guys on what I can do to make it better. Anybody out there look like they have hair like me or something of the sort? Let me know. We are in this together. Look at this comparison. Nice and juicy. And then we just got a little bit more. But yeah, so this is all my hair. Almost done. We just gotta fix this. This is usually at the point where I'm like, oh gosh, the hair problems. But I do love it. I love my hair. So let's keep going. Just so you know about that shrinkage. I'm just naturally too short. I'm done. So let me show you the back. And now, oil mix, sweet almond oil, peppermint oil. Yeah, that's about it. I'm just gonna put this all over. Okay, so here's how I actually stretch my hair. I twist them kind of as if I was making a French braid, but just doing twists down to pull my hair and keep it nice and stretched. And then I'll wear that overnight, take it out during the day, style my hair as I like, and then each night as I still have my twists in, I'll do the same twist just to keep it nice and stretched to get a little bit more of that shrinkage to disappear. And as you can see, I'm not really concerned if it's a straight part or not because I'm just wearing this overnight. I'm not going to wear my hair like this out, but if you wanted to wear it out, then of course make a straight part and then you can just twist on either side and then it'll look like an actual hairdo. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll have my next video up of me taking down my twists.